出国那个 slam 中农山起嘛。
Kalau gom demo kadon ketika jingsko mon jung gibriu lo jong. Gibriu ki kamshania maybe private don gibashania aga public hospital kita ni laga jong choice. Tik jong choice ke government ni ga aga choice ki balong open. Ki kwa bali free le bi government hospital. Tira da ki kwa ban siu itai aspas po gile chepo ki private hospital. Ki generally ki pai ba mo ki badap sausan snem shaning yang itu kemudian ga comorbidity pada yang itu kemudian kan ulu kejengpang pada isim nado sanpu kandai snem shaneng. Okay, kita ni 59 and 41 nado 45 and 59 comorbidity kali 45 years and above nang tagi pada ki general senior citizen kali nado 59 and above.
Tekan nongot ki ba yo e kani ga vaccination
Ado mentar kimpan yo ada information tiga jing siu ulung gumdi di men siu tang hapo ki private hospital baro all the private hospital has been given this opportunity for vaccinations, but only 3 hospital is already in operational for this vaccinating. Only 3 hospital, that is one is Robert Hospital, Woodland and Negrim, or not Negrim, Nazareth. Okay. So they charge 250. 150 will come back to the government for the vaccination, and 100 rupees will be their service charge, not the 250 service charge to them. Okay.
haduk lah no kani kan peteng
It
kan
continue till we finish all the vaccination.
kumakan nongot kini ki senior citizen na ki reo
Data baru dalam kelek.